here?
Now, Kakashi. Where's Naruto? He was fighting here, wasn't he?
Naruto's getting healed in another spot right now. Now, until Naruto gets back here, we need to buy as much time as we can. Listen up, guys.
Now, I'll take this. From here on out, the Blue Beast will take charge!
You have spirit, I'll give you that. But that's all you've got.
Whoa!
I can't actually walk into the jaws of death all by yourself.
If that's where my path leads, then I'll keep charging forward, even if it's into the jaws of death. That's what kind of man my guy is.
Interesting.
Here, dynamic history!
Users at your level were all over the place during the Warring States period. You were just another lukewarm shinobi from a lukewarm world. Your fists, your will, all lukewarm.
My taijutsu isn't even making him flinch. Get him shot! Open! How you! What are you?
You certainly realized it by now. Lukewarm attacks like that will never deal any serious damage to me. Now dance some more. I see. You are showing a little persistence.
Get him shot! Open! How you! Dynamic! No use. Here. I am on fire. This is taking too long.
Finished already?
Guy! He is fine! Lee. Phew, that was so close.
Looks like you can dance a little, but it still won't work on me. What will it be? Surely you must be out of options by now.
If the current me is out of options, then I just need to bring out the next me.
What is he talking about?
It's time for the Noble Leaf's Blue Beast to say goodbye. And transform into the Crimson Beast!
Guy Sensei, you are not gonna open up the gate of death!
No, you can't do that.
No one wants you to go that far. It'll end up taking your life.
No. This is what I want.
Guy-sensei! Has the time really come, Guy-sensei?
Remember, you already proved it to me.
What?
I want to prove that even if I can't use ninjutsu or genjutsu, I can still become a great ninja. Yes, it's a fine goal worthy of pursuing. So you just need to trust in your own path and keep running. Become strong so that just watching you makes me smile.
Guy-sensei, please accept me. This time, I am going to make my ninja way shine once and for all!
My mother gave me this strong body. And my father gave me the flames of youth. I received the pain of defeat from my friends. Also, I received the ability to treasure the act of protecting my own ninja way from you. I'm satisfied. Now I just need to protect it till the very end. Lee, watch my back. This'll be your very last lesson.
Yes, sir!
Just give it up already.
Burn, heart, burn! Roar, soul, roar! The time has come for me to protect what I love! Even if it kills me! 8 inner gates, gate of death! Open! 8 inner gates, release formation!
Interesting.
I need to protect them. That's all this is for. Burn, youth, burn! Burn until the very last flame burns out!
All 8 inner gates are open. It looks just like the withered leaves that fall.
You're right. I'm not just gonna wither and fall. I'm gonna become the nutrients with a new young leaf. And when the new green leaves sprout and lead to a new spring, that's when youth will reach its zenith, when it's burning with a deep crimson light.
You're amusing.
You know!
I've not been this excited since I fought. First, or will you perish first? Either way, this will be your final battle. Enjoy this battle until you can no longer lift your fist. Fine, I will admit, as far as Taijutsu goes, I am dancing!
There's only one thing left to do.
I withstood it. This victory is mine. What is this feeling?
That was Guy's final move.
Guy-sensei! Guy-sensei!
What is that? Wait a second. Even though he opened the gate of death, his wounds are getting worse. He's alive.
What?
Guy isn't dead. He's still...
Really?
Lee, hurry up and take Guy to the medical team.
Yes, sir!
Someone saved Guy. But who?
There aren't many people who can make me feel even the inkling of a threat. That is why I was easily able to notice you. Over and over. How many times do you need to hinder me before you are satisfied? Naruto Uzumaki.